What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another brand new diecast unboxing for you right here, right now. We've got 3 164s and there's one 124 in there that we'll get to, I assume, at the very end, because right here is the 3 164s. Right here is the first one. This is Chris Buescher in his Daytona win. His Fifth Third Bank number 17 for RFK. Covered in that confetti. So it looks pretty good. That's the first one out. You got 2 more 164s and then the 124 in the back. Let's see what we got. This is the Dale Earnhardt Jr. Bass Pro Shops Tracker Boats. Late model. Really love the late models. Pretty sure I've got all of them, at least in 164 that they've released so far, because they are really cool. And then the last 164 out of the box will be Sammy Smith in his Pilot Flying J number 8 for the Xfinity Series, this season's Xfinity Series 2024, of course. And that wraps up the 164s. We'll get into the 124 here. I gotta get the packing penis out of the way and then we'll hop into it. So here it is. The 124 from this unboxing is the AJ Allmendinger Charlotte Roval win from last season. I'm gonna waste no time and popping this one out of the box and showing it off a little bit. So here it is out of the box. It is a beauty for sure. Bunch of confetti, bunch of race markings, the pink window net from being at the Charlotte Roval with the Breast Cancer Awareness Month going on. A race I was at, which is exactly why this is in my collection now. I'm trying to buy all the race versions of the races I've been at, so this is a part of it. This is the most recent release that would go on that list. Of course, Charlotte Roval, late in last season. Pretty cool. The AJ Allmendinger could come in and get it done. And then get demoted right back to Xfinity. Right when he wins in the Cup Series. So good on that. But that is that for this one. And then, of course, we had this one, both covered up in race markings. So that's pretty cool. Let's get this one out of the way, and then I will pop this one out and take a look at it real quick. So here it is. This, of course, was right in the middle of Chris Buescher's Linsanity run, when it seemed like he was just winning everything during the summer months. Basically, he won 3 races in like 2 months or something, and hasn't won since. Didn't really win any before that. But he's a consistent guy, so if you stay consistent, you're bound to end up in victory lane. But again, this one's just as covered as it gets. The Fifth Third Bank logo seems like it might have been uncovered on purpose. Sometimes the sponsors will ask that, because everything else is just as covered as it gets. Can't even see his name on the front or back windshield. But then, of course, the logo on the hood is basically the only visible thing on the vehicle, really. But again, pretty cool. Wanted to get it out and check it out outside the box, because we got the 2 race winning schemes here, and then we have the JRM number 8, and then Boss Man Junior's late model. Looking forward to this year's late models. Sammy Smith, of course, has the Sundrop Lemon Cherry or Cherry Lemon that looks gorgeous, and then Junior's, of course, back in his Sundrop cars. So that is this haul for today. Pretty excited to get them. Awesome cars to add to the collection. Make sure to leave a comment on which car you like the best from the video. Like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll thank you guys for checking this one out.